Well, today I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change your character on Genshin Impact using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to launch your Genshin Impact and let's just say you're on in-game, okay? So what I want you to do is to click on the escape button on your keyboard and then now click on character. Okay, so you can change your character if you have any options. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on these four squares at the lower left corner of your screen. Okay, here you have your character selections. So as I said, if you have any character selection or options, you should see it here. And then just go ahead and click on that character and click on confirm here at the bottom right corner of your screen. But I cannot do that here because I don't have any character selection yet because this is my new account. Okay, so just go ahead and click on confirm if you choose the character that you want to use. And after click on confirming, just go ahead and go back on your game and your character should be changed. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.